Well, hi there. It's a beautiful spring afternoon. We got another little dip, they said, in the weather, but it is a great day. As a matter of fact, it's kind of weird we're inside, but I'm here with Trevin, and we're at Bedford Boys Ranch because he is a runner. We're getting ready for the Run for Hope, and he's had some great experience. Now, he's got skills. You actually just completed
a 50K, so that's 31.5 miles in September. So
that's pretty ambitious. I don't think I'm going to be doing that anytime soon, but we would love for you to participate in the Run for Hope May 17th. We've got a 1 mile, a 5K, and we've got our 10K again. We've got brand new certified routes and courses for you laid out this year. Took out some of those hills for you guys that were a little upset with those last year because they were tough, but we've got a great course we're out running. This is a great time though now, whether it's indoors, outdoors, or we saw some folks in your treadmill a few minutes ago. They can get out and they need to be doing what about now?
Yeah, we just need to get up and moving is what we need to do. So if you can get up and start moving 15, 20 minutes a day, then that's gonna be something that's gonna really take you and be able to carry you through race day. So I think we're about 60 days out.
About 60 days.
And so this is a great time to just get up, get moving, build that confidence, build a little bit of that stamina. And so I think that'll take you a long way. You'll be impressed. If just a little bit of effort now will take you a long way. We
saw a lot of folks last year that got in the run, enjoyed it, had a good experience. Folks had never done it before, and even afterwards. Mike Fielder, athletic director, I'm gonna put you on the spot, Mike. You said you were gonna run the 5K this year, convicted. So it's not too late. You can still do it. You can have a great time, be successful. We're really excited about what's coming up this spring. Matter of fact, Bedford's got an event on April 3rd.
Yep, we've got our Twilight Thursday kickoff. It's called Taste and Tunes. It's gonna be at our Old Bedford School, and we're gonna have Brave combos coming out. We're gonna have brats and beer. So if you're looking for that cheat day to come out and just have a good time, enjoy some good weather, it'd be a great opportunity to come out. It's from 6 to 9, really relaxed. Just a great community event.
Fantastic. And then for us, this is also CPR season. We've got our largest volume of homes on the books right now, ready for CPR weekend, April 4th and 5th. Matter of fact, we've got 28 homes that will be done that weekend, and we've also got a group coming in just weeks after that with Atmos Energy. We'll do 4 more. So we're looking at possibly 32 homes, but now's the time to go online to register for CPR weekend, Friday or Saturday, or both. If you can do it, we'd love to have you do that. We have an incredible number of teams, more than we've ever seen before, that are registering as groups, wanting to work together as a team build or a kind of community build time together. So you can go online right now, CPR, and sign up and do that. And then of course, as we just said, it's time to get up and move. It's ready for the Run for Hope. Thanks for all you've done this year. This year has already started off amazing for us at Six Stones. This community never ceases to amaze me on what you can do, your capacity, and how you want to bless and give back. So we've got a full slate. We'll see you this spring, and I'll see you in a couple weeks. We'll check back on how you're doing on getting ready and moving. God bless.